Good morning, Ethan. What are you doing? Are you eating? Are you eating like what? You eat like a? Huh? You forgot?
German.
Why? Why do you like to eat like a German?
Because I'm going to Germany.
Oh, when are you going to Germany?
My vacation time. Christmas vacation.
Christmas vacation. It's your Christmas vacation nowadays. Maybe during school vacation, summer. But you have no visa yet. What are you doing with your eyes? Did you enjoy your party last night? Did you enjoy? Could you tell your followers, our followers, about your party last night in the clubhouse?
Yes.
Oh, can you tell us about it? Did you hit the pot?
Look at the...
What is the name of the pot in Tagalog?
Potes.
What? Can you remember? What do you call that in Tagalog, the pot?
Only...
Starts with letter P.
Patus.
What?
Patus.
Pa?
Pa.
What?
Ma.
What?
Pamag.
Pa?
Pa.
Oh, your birds are calling at you already. Palayok!
Okay, I'm going to go to my bed.
No. Finish your food first. Finish your food. Oh, Ethan, just say good morning to them. Say good morning to your birds. Say good morning. Just say good morning to your birds. Where are the others there? Ay, it's already one? There's only one?
No, there's not. There is another one.
There were four. Where are the others? The couple. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Oo, look at Kuya at the top of the construction.
It's very nice.
Yeah. That is the house of your friend.
Yes,
okay,
it's my house.
come on na.
My friend.
Come on na. Finish your food.